We're always looking for healthy breakfast options, and today's recipe is a multigrain dosa that I'm going to show you, which is loaded with nutrients, and eating this dosa will actually keep your stomach full for a long time during the day. I'm also going to show you a nice spicy red chutney that goes with this dosa. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the multigrain batter, I'm going to add a series of grains and pulses, starting with quarter cup of chana dal. Next, quarter cup moong dal, quarter cup tur dal, quarter cup urud dal, quarter cup corn kernels, quarter cup green gram dal, quarter cup black gram dal, quarter cup ragi, quarter cup foxtail millet, 1.5 cups red rice. Now if you don't have red rice, you can use brown rice. Wash it a few times. Pour enough water and soak all the ingredients for a minimum of 8 hours. The reason I'm soaking it for 8 hours is because they're all multigrains and they can be a little hard. So it takes that amount of time for it to soften, so it will be easy while grinding. The best way to grind these ingredients are using a wet grinder. If you don't have a wet grinder, you can grind it using the mixer jar, but make sure you grind it in batches. Pour a little water and grind it to a nice smooth batter. I'm using 3 green chilies for this recipe and a piece of ginger. Adding green chilies and ginger gives a nice flavor to the batter, and grind it one more time. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Mix it nicely. This batter is used to make only dosas. You cannot make idlis using this batter. Leave it at room temperature to ferment for about 8 hours. For the spicy onion chutney, take a kadai, add 2 teaspoons oil. Add 2 cups of onions roughly chopped. To this add about 7 cloves of garlic. Once the onions are transparent, I'm going to add about 10 red chilies. I'm going to add about 4 small pieces of tamarind. So I'm just going to add a handful of chopped coriander leaves. This is about a quarter bunch of coriander. After adding the coriander leaves, add 1 teaspoon of rock salt. Turn off the stove, cool the mixture and grind it to a nice coarse chutney. I'm going to temper a few ingredients for the chutney. For this, take a tempering pan, add 1 teaspoon oil. To this I'm going to add half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon urud dal. Once the mustard seeds start crackling, turn off the stove, add pinch of asafoetida powder, add a few curry leaves. The multigrain batter is fermented beautifully. Now I'm going to start making the dosas. Mix the batter well before making the dosas. If it's too thick, you can just add a little water to get the right consistency. Heat a tawa. Once the tawa is hot, pour a ladle of the batter. Spread it out. Pour oil around the dosa. Once it's cooked on one side, flip it to the other. You have a perfectly crispy dosa. Once it's cooked on both sides, serve the multigrain dosa hot with the spicy onion chutney. So there you go, we've seen this absolutely delicious and very nutritious multigrain dosa, which is best had for breakfast. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.